Hello and welcome to Car Solutions online store. Today we'll talk about multimedia navigation system for Toyota Land Cruiser 200, manufactured in 2018. Let's take a closer look on how it works. Press and hold the nav button to switch the screen to the system's menu. Here we can already see 8 icons: navigation, additional applications, USB, installed applications, settings, Wi-Fi connection, Play Market, and File Manager. Operating system is Android 6.01. By default, there is Navitel and iGo navigation, but you can also install any other navigation that you prefer. The Home button is used to go back a step. OEM Internet Browser is already installed in the system. Everything works fine. The Home button lets you go back a step. The Nav button lets you go back to the main menu. The system supports Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, we are already connected. Play Market is available and can be used to install any app that you need. VLC Player is also available. Press and hold the Nav button to go back to OEM navigation. The package consists of main module, mounting elements for Toyota Land Cruiser 200 of 2018, mounting elements for Toyota Land Cruiser 200 and Lexus LX 570, manufactured from 2012 to 2016, 2 USB cables, GPS antenna, GVIF cable, and connection cables. The best thing about this system is that you don't need to cut any car wiring. All connections are plug-and-play and use OEM connectors. This prevents you from voiding car warranty. Sub to our channel if you enjoyed this video. See you soon!